Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Yusuf here from Dental Reviews and I hope you all are well. Now in today's video, I'm looking at something a little bit different again, and it's this, which is the home ultrasonic scaler, which is from a company called Smile Therapy. Now, one of my neighbors actually messaged us saying, should she get this product? And I didn't know a lot about what's on the market with regards to home dental cleaning products, but it did catch my eye because I thought, ultrasonic scaler to be used at home, could this be beneficial? Could this be something that we recommend to our patients? I had to give it a go. So I bought it with our own money, and I wanted to give a completely independent review for us as the dental professionals to offer our patients. And also, I'm sure there are some patients watching this thinking if this is a safe product to use. Now, with regards to Smile Therapy, I think they've done well with their advertising. Their website does look good, and their communication is really good once you order the product, and the emails that they send you, it was all very prompt, and they updated me with the order saying that due to the high demand, uh, there will be a slight delay in the delivery of the product, which is fine. As always, if you're told something in advance, then you're not too annoyed when things do get delayed, which is fine, just like when we run late for our patients. So yeah, I was quite impressed with how their marketing and the communications and their emailing and all the rest of it was. And it came when it was expected to, which was very good. I got the green color, which I think looks really cool. The only thing that did almost concerned me a little bit was how light it is. When I was unboxing it, I was quite surprised with how light it is, because the ultrasonic scaler that we have in the practice obviously is connected to the bracket table, but it's quite a heavy duty device if you think about it in terms of what it's designed to do. So I was quite surprised that it's this light. Anyway, I'll go on to the most important thing that you're probably wondering from this video, is how it works and is it something that we should be recommending. Now, I haven't been that good recently, and I had a bit of tartar deposits behind my lower incisors, as it can happen. It's not the end of the world. And I also have been drinking a little bit more tea than I would like, so I've got some staining around the gingival margins as well. So I thought it would give me a good opportunity to try the scaler out to see if it is beneficial. When I started it up, it's got different functions, so you can increase the strength of it or decrease it. So I put it on the max setting and I gave it a go, mainly focusing on the calculus deposits behind my lower incisors. And I have to say, I was left quite disappointed with the scaler, simply because it just wasn't able to remove that calculus, no matter how hard I tried. And it came to the point where I was using quite a bit of force and I still couldn't budge it, which is a little bit frustrating, because I was hoping that this device could work. Because look, I'm completely independent. If I find a product that could work for some of my patients, I have no issue recommending it for them. I know probably some people are a little bit concerned about, oh, would it mean that patients attend the hygienist less, or affect their business to some degree. But in my opinion, I think if patients are able to use a device like this that does work and it's beneficial, then great. Of course, they have to be maybe instructed on how to use it safely, because I think used in the wrong way, it will cause damage. So that's why I was disappointed when this simply didn't work how I expected. It wasn't able to remove the calculus on the inside of my lower incisors, and also around the gingival margins where I had some staining from extrinsic factors, T's for me, obviously. Again, it wasn't able to budge that away. So it sort of didn't meet my expectations, and that's why I was disappointed. Obviously, if you use this interdentally, it will remove plaque, which it did, but why would you spend that kind of money when you can get TP brushes, which are a lot cheaper and just as good at removing plaque, if not better, interdentally? By the way, these are from a company called Optim, OPTIM, similar to TP brushes, but I find that the ergonomics of these are actually better when cleaning in between the teeth. So definitely check them out. So yeah, unfortunately, I am disappointed with the how this works. As I said, I wish it functioned a little bit better. Maybe it was naive of me to think that this would work as well as a Cavitron scaler that we have in the practice connected to our bracket table. But obviously, I don't think it can be as effective, because our Cavitrons generate a lot of heat, which is why they're water cooled. This doesn't get to that sort of temperature. So yeah, maybe naive of me, a little bit silly of me to assume that, but worth giving it a go. And that's my review, which also leave me a little bit perplexed, because when you review, or when you look at the reviews on this product, there's a lot of positive reviews, which I was quite surprised about. So I don't know, that's just my opinion. Feel free to try it out yourself if you really want to. But I don't think will be using this long term, in all honesty, simply because it was just not able to remove simple calculus deposits behind my lower incisors. So I can't imagine it being as effective in sort of more trickier areas. Anyway, that's my quick review of this scaler. I hope it's been helpful. I hope it's been beneficial. If it has, as always, I'll be really grateful if you could leave a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel. I have a few things lined up, so I'll see you guys hopefully soon. Take care of yourselves. Peace.